Hello, students. How are you all? I'm sure you all are doing great. I know it's a long chapter, but this is the last session and definitely an easy one. So, let us quickly take a look at it. Full stop and question mark. Full stop is used at the end of a sentence and question mark is used at the end of a sentence which asks a question. Let us in detail look at both of them. Full stop. Read the following sentences. First one, a mole found the mitten. Students, this is just a sentence which states that a mole found the mitten. It does not ask us any question. So, we put a full stop at the end of it to show that the sentence is over. Let's look at some more. Second, my name is Beena. This sentence tells us a name of a girl. Again, it does not ask any question. So, we put a full stop at the end of it to show that the sentence is over. And last, the boys are playing football. Students, this is clearly a statement which tells that the boys are playing football. It does not ask any question. It just tells us that the boys are playing a game. So we put full stop at the end of it to show that the sentence is over. Students, once again, a full stop is used to mark the end of a sentence. So, in short, we put a full stop at the ending of a sentence to show that it is over. Students, let us do a small exercise related to it. Read the passage, put full stops where needed. Winter is one of the four seasons of India. Winter is very cold in North India. It starts in the month of December and ends by March. December and January are the coldest months of the winter season. There is a lot of fog during these 2 months. Students, we have learned in our previous chapter that the starting of a sentence begins with a capital letter. So, we can use that to indicate where a sentence ends, and there we can put a full stop. Now, let us look at the correct answer. Winter is one of the four seasons of India. We put the first full stop after India to show that the sentence has ended. Next sentence, winter is very cold in North India. Again, we put a full stop after North India to show that the second sentence has ended. It starts in the month of December and ends by March. Once again, we put the third full stop after March as it tells us that the sentence has ended. And we see that December is the starting of a new sentence. So, December and January are the coldest months of the winter season. In this sentence, we put a full stop after winter season to show that the sentence has ended. And last, there is a lot of fog during these 2 months. Again, we put a full stop after months to show that the sentence has ended. Easy, isn't it? Now we will look into detail about question mark. Read the conversation. The boy asks the girl, "Where are you going?" The girl replies, "It is so hot. I am going to buy an ice cream. Students, do you see that the boy is asking a question to the girl? So, whenever we ask somebody a question, we put a question mark. Once again, we use a question mark at the end of a sentence that asks a question. Let us look at some more examples. First one, do you like to wear a hat? Here, a question is being asked whether you like to wear a hat or not. So, a question mark is put at the end of the sentence. Next, have you shut the door? Again, another question is asked. So, a question mark is put at the end of that sentence. Next, what are you doing? This is again a question that is asked. Students, remember when your teacher gives you a homework and the next day she asks you a question. Have you all done your homework? Am I right? So, that is a question and we put a question mark at the end of that sentence. Let us do an exercise related to it. Put a question mark or full stop at the end of these sentences. Students, we have to put either a full stop to show the end of a sentence or a question mark to show if it is a question asked. First one, Meena loves to swim. Students, this is just a sentence and no question is asked. So, a full stop is put at the end of the sentence, which is after the word swim. Next, is it raining? Here, a question is being asked if it is raining or not. So, clearly a question mark will be put at the end of the sentence, which is after the word raining. Easy, right? Let us look at some more sentences. What is your name? This is clearly one of the easiest sentence that you know. Of course, it is a question. So, we put a question mark at the end of this sentence, which is after the word name. Next, Tarun lives in Delhi. Again, do you think a question is asked here? No. Of course, it is just a sentence. So, we put a full stop at the end of the sentence, which is after the word Delhi. And the last, where is your house? Here, a question is asked to someone. So, we put a question mark at the end of this sentence, which is after the word house. That was easy, wasn't it? I know you all are smart enough to know full stop and question mark. Students, go through all the sessions once again, read the chapter, learn the question answers, word meanings, so that you can easily solve the worksheet that is given to you. Till then, stay at home and stay safe.